So as you can see, I'm at the sink, and the first word you'll learn is tap. This is a tap. In Australia and the UK, this is called a tap. In the United States, it's called a faucet. Don't know why. And this is the handle of the tap. So open it up, water, water. So this is the basin. This is called the basin. This is the drainage, okay? And this is the plug for the drainage. Okay, so I'm not going to go through everything in this video, just the basics that most people probably have. This is a cotton bud. You use this to clean out your ear. You put medication on it to put on wounds. What else would you use it for? You can use it to put makeup on. So you can use that for various ways. Another thing you'll find is soap. You'll either find a bar of soap. This is called a bar. So it's, you know, like a bar of silver or gold. A bar is just like a lump that is in a rectangle shape. So that is a bar of soap. We also have toothpaste. So if you look here, this is teeth. Teeth there. So it's a toothpaste. It's a paste because, well, if you squeeze it out, it is in a paste form. So it's toothpaste. This is a toothbrush. So this is the brush here, and you put it on your teeth. So that's a toothbrush. Okay, we have various moisturizers and other lotions, which probably not everyone will have. What else would you have? A brush, hair brush. So this is a hair brush. Use it for your hair. Another thing we have here, mirror. So this is designed to reflect your image back. So you can probably put makeup, or you can shave like I need to. You could also use it to look at injuries that you have that you can't see, like on your back. Okay, so another thing you might have is tweezers. So tweezers, you can to pull hair out, or if you have a piece of wood or metal in your skin, you can use tweezers to take it out. So those are tweezers, very useful. You should have them. Okay, another thing, shaver or razor blade. In Australia we call this a razor blade because it's focused. It has razors there. So this part is the razor. Up here, this is designed to get rid of any excess hair that comes off. And you use this for shaving your hair off. So if you want to get rid of hair, use the shaver. Okay, so that is basically the basics of a bathroom. So learn it and have fun just learning